You're one of the 31 million Americans who suffers from lower back pain each and every day. I have the solution for you. As a Pilates teacher and fitness trainer, I've spent my whole life dedicated to helping people improve the way they look, feel, and move. If you're hunched over your computer or sit too long anywhere, chances are you've got bad posture and your back has lost its natural curves. Now you can give your back the relief it needs at home without pills, surgery, or costly treatments. It's back magic, the easiest way to reduce muscle tension, increase flexibility, and realign your lower back. The mending magic is in the patented alignment archway, which allows you to select one of 3 levels. Rest your spine in the cradle and simply relax. It's that easy. In just 5 minutes twice a day, BackMagic's alignment archway gently stretches your lower back to reduce tension, extend your range of motion, and restore your natural curve.
BackMagic really does what it claims. In just 2 5-minute sessions, I get total back relief for the rest of the day.
BackMagic is so portable and effective, I call up the chiropractor under my bed. Thanks for giving my life back.
Because of BackMagic's help, my golf swings are easier and better than ever before. BackMagic allows me to play again.
We made BackMagic to last a lifetime. It works in the home, the office, and when traveling anytime you need to relieve tension. Call now to relax and finally get the relief you deserve.